Welcome to my channel Fashion Trend desigKon Ancient Roots of Mehndi. Mehndi, also known as henna, is an ancient form of body art that has been practiced for over 5,000 years. Originating in regions like India, the Middle East, and North Africa, it was used not only for beautification but also for its cooling and medicinal properties. Over time, it became a symbol of celebration, especially in weddings and religious festivals. Cultural significance. In many cultures, Mehndi holds deep symbolic meaning. In Indian and Pakistani weddings, it's believed that the darker the bride's Mehndi stain, the stronger the love between the couple. It's also considered a sign of prosperity and good fortune. Across different cultures, Mehndi is applied during Eid, Diwali, Karva Chauth, and other joyous occasions. Traditional Indian designs. Traditional Indian Mehndi designs are known for their intricate detailing. They usually include floral motifs, paisleys, peacocks, and mandalas. The designs often cover the entire palm, back of the hand, and extend up to the forearms and feet. Each element used in traditional designs carries symbolic meaning. For example, the peacock symbolizes beauty. Arabic-style Mehndi. Arabic Mehndi designs are quite different from Indian ones. They use bold lines, floral patterns, and a lot of empty space. These designs are typically quicker to apply and are often more modern in appearance. The simplicity and elegance of Arabic Mehndi make it popular among younger generations and for casual occasions. Pakistani Mehndi fusion. Pakistani Mehndi designs are a blend of Indian and Arabic styles, often more detailed than Arabic but less dense than traditional Indian patterns. They usually involve architectural elements like domes and minarets, alongside florals and geometric shapes, offering a regal and cultural feel. Moroccan and African influence. Moroccan Mehndi is geometric and symmetrical, often resembling tribal tattoos. These designs use lines, diamonds, and zigzag patterns rather than floral or circular motifs. They have a bold appearance and are often applied on the hands, arms, or feet in striking, symmetrical layouts. Modern and minimalist trends. Today, many people are embracing minimalist Mehndi designs. These include simple vines, tiny flowers, or geometric shapes applied to fingers, wrists, or behind the ear. Minimal Mehndi is perfect for people who want a classy look without too much coverage. It's especially popular for small events or modern brides. Personalized and thematic Mehndi. Contemporary Mehndi often includes personalized elements such as names, initials, wedding dates, or even miniature portraits of couples or pets. These creative touches add a personal story to the design and are increasingly favored by brides who want their Mehndi to be as unique as their love story. Colored and glitter Mehndi. Beyond traditional brown henna, colored Mehndi is also gaining popularity. White henna, glitter Mehndi, and even gold or silver paste are used for fashion-forward looks, particularly in parties and photo shoots. While not permanent like natural henna, they provide a glamorous and temporary alternative. Mehndi for men. Although Mehndi is traditionally associated with women, men also wear it for cultural and festive reasons. In some cultures, grooms apply Mehndi to their hands as part of pre-wedding rituals. Today, minimal designs for men, like simple mandalas or symbolic elements, are becoming more acceptable and stylish. Social media and global popularity. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok have helped spread Mehndi art across the globe. Artists now share their work online, reaching millions.